Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this episode, we will be installing the Atom IDE and Python 3.9. To start off with, go to your favorite browser, and then just type Python download, and go to the official Python site. Scroll down, and you should be able to see the download button. Scroll down a bit more, and according to your current OS you have, install the needed file. After you're done with this downloading, click on the file. Don't forget to tick this and click on install now. There will be a notification. Press yes and wait until it does its magic. After this is done, close, and to check if the installation was correctly done, go to your terminal and then just type Python. If you see the screen, that means everything went fine. Now go back to your browser, open a new tab, and go to Atom's website. On here, press download. The size of the file is 180 megabytes, so I've already downloaded it before. So I'm just going to go to my downloads folder for now, and I'm just going to run the setup. After you have run the setup, you need to wait for a while. And it started the installation. You don't have to do anything here. Just wait until it is done, and as it says on the screen, it will launch once it is done. After it is done, it's done installing. Click on File and go to Settings. Go to Install, and pretty much install any terminal you would like, but I recommend this one. Since it's a fork of an Atom IDE terminal, which I really liked because it was done by Platform.io, but currently I didn't get it to work, so this is I guess the closest one to it right now. After you have installed it, you can click on Packages, select on Terminus or whatever the terminal you installed is called, click on Toggle, and you should be able to see your terminal now. This is an important step since we will be running all of our Python commands or any other thing from this terminal. That is it for today, and wish to see you guys next time.